Hey guys, okay, so we are going to look at the AAT notes 2, and I'm going to do one problem with you guys, and then I'll let you complete the other two. Show you the key. So we're going to look at cosine of theta equals negative 0.6. We actually saw that before. So I've given you the graph of the cosine of theta right over here, and then we'll graph negative 0.6, which is somewhere down here. And we're going to find all 6 answers of these intersection points. So let's go through the process. We're going to start by first finding the reference angle. So we're going to use inverse cosine to do this. And remember, when you use inverse cosine, we're going to want to make this a positive number. It'll be positive 0.6, and that'll be our reference angle, which is around 53 degrees. And so we got to think, what quadrants will cosine be negative? That's all this negative is telling us, is what quadrants we're in. So we're going to be in quadrants 1 and 3 because those are the only two that has a negative cosine value. So 53 here and 53 here. So we'll go ahead and find those reference angles. For the first one, we're going to do 180 minus 180 minus 53 degrees, which will give us 127 as our first answer, which will fall right about here, 127 degrees. So that's good. And then over here, to find this theta, we'll do 180 plus 50. So we should end up with 233 degrees over here. Our second answer. That's a weird degree symbol. Let me fix that. Good. So we've got our first two. And now, hopefully, if you were paying attention with the other two, it's really easy to find these other answers. For these two, we just have to add 360. And for these two, we have to subtract 360 from our original angles, right? Because all we're doing is cycling around the unit circle. So we're just adding 360 degrees. We're going backwards and subtracting 360. So this angle right here will be 127 plus 360 degrees, which will be 487. This angle here will be 233 plus 360 degrees. 3 plus 360, which will be 593. Let me just highlight those. We know those are the answers. Over here, we are going to, this one will actually be 233 minus 360 degrees. Minus 360. So this is negative 127. And over here, we'll end up with 127 minus 360 degrees. 27 minus 360, which will give us negative 233 as our answers. These will be our 6 answers here, highlighted in yellow. Again, it's super hard. The main trick is you got to just find these first, and then it's so simple to add 360 or subtract 360 after. So I'm going to let you guys finish 2 and 3. Please make sure you check your answers on the answer key when you're done. Okay, thanks guys.